So understanding 0. So there are 2 oranges in the plate, children. So see the picture. So in the picture we are observing 2 oranges in the plate. So how many oranges are there? So a total of 2 oranges are there in the plate. Children, look at the picture. So there are 2 girls and the names of the 2 girls are Tina and Nishu. So the 2 girls, Tina and Nishu, ate 1 orange each. That means the 2 girls ate the 2 oranges each. So look at the plate. How many oranges are there in the plate? So children, look at the picture. So how many oranges are there remaining in the plate? How many oranges are there? Yes, there are no oranges left in the plate because the 2 oranges are eaten by the 2 girls and there are no oranges in the plate. That means the absence of oranges. There are no oranges. That means there is nothing. So there is nothing in the plate. So how many oranges are there? So no oranges. So the oranges are absent. So this absence of anything is called 0. So the absence of anything is called 0. So how many oranges are there? So 0 oranges. That means the number of oranges left in the plate is 0. So 0 means absence of something. That means nothing. So 0 means nothing. That means absence. So we will write 0 like this. So like a circle. So like a circle we can write 0 here. So the small circle represents 0. So but there is a difference between 0 and English alphabet. Both are not similar. So carefully observe. So this is about 0, children. So children, so we have a small activity for practice. So let us practice a small activity. So look at the picture. So look at the screen. So you are observing some things in each box. Count and write the number of objects in each box. So each box has some objects are given. We have to count the objects in each box and we have to write the answer. So let us see the first box. What are you observing in the first box? So there are some balls are present in the first box. So how many balls are there? So let us count. So this is the first ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, there are a total of 6 balls. So the 6 can be, the number 6 can be written as like this. So 6. So this number is called 6. So children, so see the second box. What are there in the second box? Yes, there are footballs. So footballs are there in the second box. How many footballs are there? So let us count. This is the first football, 1. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are a total of 5 footballs in the figure. So we can represent the 5 like this. The number 5 can be written like this. So this number is called 5. So children, third box. So observe the third box. What are there? So there are no objects in the box. So that means there is nothing in the box. So that means the objects are not present in the third box. That means objects are absent in the third box. We have only learned about the 0. That means absence of something. That means if there is no object, if there are no things, then that absence of something is called 0. So we can write 0 like this. So this number is called 0 because there are no objects in the third box. So that means there are no objects in the third box. So there is nothing in the box. So the objects are absent in the third box. Absence of anything is called 0. So we have to write 0 for the answer. So children, observe the fourth box. So what are you observing? You are observing dolls, that means teddy bears. So how many teddy bears are there in the fourth box? So let us count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are a total of 8 teddy bears. So we have to write the number 8 in the space. So we can write the number 8 like this. So this number is called 8. So children, see the next box, fifth box. So what are there in the fifth box? So there are no objects in the fifth box. So there is nothing in the fifth box. So the objects are absent in the fifth box. The absence of something is called 0. So the answer for the fifth box is 0. We can write 0 like this. So 0 means nothing, absence. So if there are no objects, if there are no things, that is called 0. 0 means nothing. So children, see the next box, that is sixth box. You are observing some toys. Duck toys in the sixth box. So how many toys are there? So let us count. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So very good. How many toys are there? There are a total of 6 toys. So we have to write the number 6 here, and the number 6 can be written like this. So this is the answer for the sixth box. So this is the number called 6. So in this way we can count and we can write the number. That means we can represent the numbers by using, that means we can represent the things by using numbers. So this is the way of writing numbers from the given objects. So we can write the numbers from the given objects just by counting them. Children, so let us go to the next part.